how to make birthday story on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start with, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Here, choose the Story tab. Then click on the Create from the left side of the screen. After that, type Happy Birthday in the text box. At this stage, you can style your text and also add animation to make it more dynamic. After that, hit Done. Following this, click on the color icon at the top and pick the background color you like. Afterward, tap the sticker icon at the top and choose the photo sticker to add a picture of the birthday person. Again, tap on the sticker icon at the top. From the sticker option, select Mention and enter the name of the birthday person and select their profile. Then write a birthday message. Additionally, also add a cake and give emojis to make it more fun. Finally, click your story at the bottom and your birthday story is posted on Instagram, and there you go. I hope this video helped.